Welcome to the Faculty of Biology at Sofia University. Today we are gathering for the International Conference on Natural Sciences and Biotechnology, Kliment Day 2025. Researchers, students and innovators from around the world have come together to exchange experience, share new ideas and explore the latest novelties in science, education and biotechnology. Let's take this moment to connect, learn and inspire, because every new discovery starts with an open mind.
Dear guests, it's a great pleasure for me as Dean of the Faculty of Biology to welcome you in this historical building for the annual conference in Natural Sciences and Biotechnology, Kliment Day. It's not quite comfortable to sit here with a vulture above your head, but I hope it's a friendly bird. And it's here also for the satellite event on reintroduction of wild species, which will be second in the history of this conference. And this conference is also to celebrate 75 years of education in biology in Sofia University. So, colleagues, please accept my warm greetings. It's also a pleasure to see here Professor Maria Łódźkova, a former Dean of the Faculty of Biology and historically significant for this event to happen again and again. So, thank you. It's also a pleasure to welcome the Vice Rector and 2 terms Dean of Faculty of Biology, Professor Shishkov. And all esteemed guests from Bulgaria and abroad. I think that the organizing committee, please stand up, everybody from the organizing committee. So you should be really proud that you managed to gather scientists from all over the world, from every possible continent, including some who were on the Antarctic several times. And I really believe that these 2 days will be productive in terms of exchanging ideas, networking science, and communicating about biology, biotechnology, and education in biology. So with this, I will officially start the conference and wish you a nice time in Sofia, Bulgaria. Thank you.
Our dear guests, fellow scholars, and from near and afar, I'm honored here today to speak to you on behalf of the Faculty's Students' Council, and to first thank you all for participating in this, we can say, celebration of science, and also to congratulate you all on your never-ending requisitiveness that we believe has brought us all together today. And so it will be an honor for all the students attending these 2 days to share this experience with you and welcome you all great scientists here in this hall warmly, and also have the best example here. So please allow us to greet you with a short video about our faculty and this year's conference that has been created with the kind assistance of the university's television, Alma TV.
Within these historic walls, knowledge has flourished for nearly a century. The building of the Faculty of Biology at Sofia University St. Kliment that hosts us today stands as a 97-year-old monument to scientific thought and intellectual tradition that has witnessed generations of scientists, educators and students, all united by one shared pursuit, the search for understanding life itself. Yet the story of biological sciences here began long before its walls were built. Around 134 years of scientific and academic tradition, where each discovery became a foundation for the next. At the Faculty of Biology, we uphold a vision where tradition and innovation coexist in harmony, advancing science and education together. Across the fields of natural sciences, biotechnology, and biology education, our progressively renovated laboratories provide an environment where modern technologies and creative minds meet, exploring the frontiers of life and sustainability. The symbol of this year's conference, the vultures, carries a powerful message. These remarkable birds embody the circle of life, the renewal of ecosystems, and the delicate equilibrium of ecosystems that we strive to protect. Their soaring view from above mirrors our own scientific aspiration. To look beyond the details, to see the interconnected whole, and to seek knowledge that elevates both understanding and responsibility. As we gather here, students, scholars, and researchers from around the world, we celebrate not only science, innovation, and education, but also the invaluable collaborations and vision that move them forward. We believe that you will be inspired by the lecturers and workshops, as well as by the 2 satellite conferences on biology education and biodiversity. Welcome to the International Conference on Natural Sciences and Biotechnology, Kliment Days 2025. May these 2 days of exchange and discovery strengthen the bonds of our scientific community, bring new ideas, fruitful discussions, and a shared sense of purpose to illuminate the path ahead.
Dear all, my impressions are very positive because the conference is really nice and it started really strong with a lecture from Professor Sergei Shavala, also Professor Evgenia Rusinova, who I found out that is very well known worldwide, except for me because I'm not an expert in plant biology. But nevertheless, the lectures are very interesting.
What motivated you to volunteer for this international conference?
I really wanted to meet scientists from all around the world. I'm actually so excited to work with them. We even had some casual conversations with them. Also, I really feel full as a person when I help around people, like with posters and everything else.
What would you like for the young scholars attending today to take away from this event?
I think young scholars will learn what are all the issues in the sciences today, learning it from the experts around the world, and they will be able to see what is the challenge with finding solutions to these problems.
What was the biggest challenge in organizing Kliment Days 2025?
For me, the biggest challenge was making sure that every participant felt welcome and inspired. It wasn't easy to balance all the tasks, but the results showed that our effort truly paid off.
How do you think conferences like this one help students grow as future scientists?
I think scientific conferences like Kliment Day bring great insight to what the world of science really is all about, and it can help, build this sort of idea into students' minds, how scientists work, how they present in real time, essentially. And I do think it is very helpful.
Well, it's been wonderful to be here. This is my very first visit to Bulgaria and to Sofia University. And of course, Sofia University is very well known, so it was really exciting to be able to attend this conference. The conference talks have started out great. There were several talks on how plants adapt to abiotic stress, from kind of molecular mechanisms to all the way to cellular level processes. So really enjoyed those talks, and it was also nice to see some former students from Sofia University who are now teaching at other universities coming back to talk about their research at their alma mater. So I really enjoyed the morning session.
Conferences such as these are quite important for young scientists as they help us connect with other professionals in the area, they help us grow, and they push us to go out of our comfort zones.
How do you feel the satellite conference will impact the community's understanding of conservation of rarity species?
This conservation conference is held for the third time in the Faculty of Biology. It's very important because it's the first of its kind in Bulgaria and in the region in general. And it's concentrated on conservation of relevant species like the vultures, like the sturgeons and the other species which need protection and which are on the way to come back in the nature of Bulgaria. So I think this conference is very important, not only for the scientific community in the faculty and abroad, but also for the wider public. So I hope that we will have a lot of visitors tomorrow for the conference.
A conference like this one brings together speakers from all around the world and give everyone the chance to talk with them freely and exchange valuable experience.
How important do you feel such conferences are to the scientific community?
I think this is a great opportunity to be here because the program is full of very impressive talk. And I'm very happy and I'm very proud to participate in this conference today, and tomorrow I will be my presentation. I will try to do my best.
How do you balance helping with the organization and still experiencing the event itself?
I find great pleasure in finding balance between work and pleasure, and I believe that together with the other volunteers we can all create a harmony between pleasure and business. So I think that we all together can make the experience great, and we can also enjoy the great lectures.
What message would you like to share with the young researchers attending this conference?
They should really take advantage of this opportunity to meet some of the biggest names in biological sciences from the world and to be inspired and to know that this professional path is really exciting, but really they really need to work hard in this field.
How would you describe the atmosphere of Kliment's Days 2025 in just 3 words?
Science, communication, lectures.
It is multinational, energetic and highly scientific.
Curiosity, networking and innovation.
Probably global, active and innovative.
Science, novelty and unification.
It's very international. I'm surprised to see so many people from all over the world here. And also it's very interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary from what I've seen. Of course, going from all the way from cellular level research to ecosystem level studies that we're going to be hearing about tomorrow. So I would say international, interdisciplinary, and very inspiring to see former students from Bulgaria who have gone abroad to do research, who have faculty positions elsewhere, coming back and talking about their work here in Bulgaria.
It's international, it's very social, and it's fun.
Firstly, exciting, again, insightful, and fun, third of all, because science is very fun for me personally.
Very, very important conference.
Motivating, inspiring, and productive.
International, biological, and exciting.
It's always nice to participate in scientific conference and to be part of its organization, because it gives you opportunity to communicate with really important scientists, both in your field and in the field that could interconnect with your field. So it's a great opportunity and I wouldn't miss it. Thank you.